Hello food fans, hamburgers again, this time similar hamburgers to what we had last time, except this particular hamburger has 2 beef patties, ground beef, and I guess each one weighs about 4 ounces, so it's sort of a half-pound burger that we're going to fix with just one hamburger, and we're going to have some fried potatoes with it that have a similar taste to French fries, but actually taste a little bit better. I like fried potatoes. And we might add some more things before we're done here. So let's get started. And the potatoes are frying in the pan, and flip them over maybe one more time here and get them nice and dark the way I like them. And if you like salt on your potatoes or French fries, whatever, you may put that on certainly. And let me flip this little guy here. I think he's going to be all dark in just a few minutes. It takes about maybe 10-15 minutes to fry the potatoes. The hamburger itself, the ground beef sandwich, the double cheeseburger, that takes 70 seconds in the microwave. And we are going to begin with coleslaw, a surprise ingredient. Not much of a surprise because I have this every day, but I'm going to get some coleslaw. Give the bacon double cheeseburger, I called it a double cheeseburger before, but it's a bacon double cheeseburger, a chance to cool off a little bit, and the fried potatoes a chance to cool off a little bit. And I shall take some coleslaw. And I do believe coleslaw is a very good health food, and so I have it just about every day. Sometimes I make a cabbage salad, slightly different from coleslaw. It tastes good. We're having good weather, with the exception of a little bit of drizzle of rain. I'm going to put this half of the burger on top of the bottom half. And let me stir the potatoes. Temperature here is about 60 or 65 degrees today for February. That's pretty warm, pleasant. I'll talk a little bit today about piano playing, piano tutorials, piano players, songs that were done, recorded, became hits that were piano songs. And the potatoes have cooled down a little bit. Takes about 15 minutes to fix the potatoes and about 2.5 minutes. I think I said 70 seconds before, but that's for the single burgers. But for the bacon double cheeseburger, it takes about 2.5 minutes for the microwave cooking. And I did put some ketchup on the burger. This could be a nice big mess if I handle everything right. Look, big burger patties. This is good. It would definitely be comparable to what you get at a fast food drive-through these days. Not that there's anything wrong with it, it's very good. Also, when cooking in the microwave, 2 things. 1, get microwave safe dishes. And 2, After the food is cooked in the microwave, give it a minute or so to cool down a bit before you handle it. This is good. 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 I've been thinking about putting up some of my videos with piano tutorial information in it, so if you want to learn how to play piano, I want to learn a little bit about music, I could easily add that, not right now, but probably in a week or two. I got one of my houses is being fixed up in such a way that I could probably use it for a studio and have room enough to move in a piano keyboard. That root beer is good. That's stubborn root beer, S-T-U-B-B-O-R-N. I think that was sent to me by one of my Feature Man fans. I thank you for that. More potatoes. And I can show you how to play piano by chords. That's the piano style of playing that is done pretty well for people like Jerry Lee Lewis, Fats Domino, Little Richard, Frankie Ford. I don't know if you remember Frankie Ford with his hit Sea Cruise. I'll leave some links in the description down below. To different piano, rock and roll, or rockabilly, or hillbilly songs of long ago. Some more root beer. It's warm enough here today that the cold root beer tastes good. One of the things that happened in Tennessee after a very big rainstorm about 10 days ago, we found many new potholes. Tennessee is a pothole state. First person to do Mona Lisa hillbilly style was Moon Mullican. I'll leave a link to my version of Mona Lisa from 1966. If you want me to put some piano information in some future videos, if you want me to show you how to play piano, just let me know in the comments. They will be free. I don't charge money for things here. This hamburger is a pretty good sized meal. The way I play piano, I don't play melodies and classical music, jazz, or anything. I do what was done on most of the hit records of the 1950s, 1960s, and I'll show you how chords are used for someone who plays piano and sings. And they do have some low-cost electronic keyboards now. Burger's good, the cheese is good, the bun is good. I don't see the bacon, but I'll take their word for it. Maybe it's invisible bacon. What is your favorite piano song? Any piano songs that I do will be either public domain or originals. I won't do the published songs that cause YouTube channels to get hit with copyright strike. I'm going to take another little bit of coleslaw. This is delicious. With the cost of fast food, the drive-through places, the cost seems to be going up. You might want to compare the cost of going to the frozen food section and getting the ready to cook in the microwave oven burgers. See if you can beat the price that they charge at the drive-through. This is a nice messy burger also. More root beer. Some of the ground beef there. I did get to see Jerry Lee Lewis in person on several occasions. I never saw Fats Domino or Little Richard, but they wrote some good songs, each of them. Two of these burgers would be a challenge, I think. One of the burgers makes a nice meal. Have a sip of stubborn root beer. And now, time for secret dessert, cherry pie. This whole meal with the dessert and everything is probably about $6. Could be considerably less. I didn't actually bother to figure it up. Put the cherry pie there. I'm glad you had the ability to get over here today. Hope your windshield wipers are working fine. When I think any of you who have a little bit of spare time, an hour a day or so, you can learn to play piano pretty well in 6 months, maybe a year for some, but it just depends on how much time you have to practice. You'll learn everything I know you can learn in your brain in a week's time. But the practice is what takes up all the time after that. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching.